up, pull your sister up. TDA Lifestyle. Pull your sister up, pull your sister up, pull your sister up. TDA Lifestyle. Hi everybody, welcome back to TDA Lifestyle with me, Alphonsine. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And to all our current subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. So yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to wear the new SASHA wig from our ASILI range. So this is the curly, kinky curly wig from our ASILI range, and as you can see, it's got the curly baby hairs which make it so much easy to wear, which means you don't need any glue, you don't need any gel. You literally put this wig on and you are ready to go. This is 100% glueless, like no glue, no gel, nothing. You just put this wig on and you are literally ready to leave the house, like for real. Like, I'm not even joking, I'm being serious. So yeah, if you'd like to see how to wear this wig, please stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. I'm gonna make sure that all my hair is covered. As you can see, all my hair is covered in this wig cap, so I'm not leaving any of my edges. Everything that you're going to see right now is the wig. So this wig is 100% glueless. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my wig, adjust the little straps, just make sure everything is sitting nicely. So there we go. You're just going to hook the little straps onto the tabs. So the closer they are, the tighter the wig's going to be. The looser the little elastic, the further the little elastics are, the looser the wig's going to be. So you just go ahead and adjust that to your liking, and then you're going to take your wig, tilt your head forward, bring the elastic to the back of your head, and then you bring the rest of the wig all the way back. So I've got my mirror over here, so I'm just making sure that everything is sitting nicely. Make sure everything is nice in place. I'm just going to fluff out all the baby hairs. So as you can see already, the lace has disappeared. Where's the lace? There's no lace. Where's the lace? No lace. And then you just fix your wig. Make sure everything is nice in place. Make sure everything is the way you like it. There we go. And there you go. Like, that was so easy, that was so simple. That literally took me less than 5 minutes to just put this wig on. And yeah, so as you can see, no glue, no gel, nothing, just the wig, and you are ready to go. Like, you can't see the lace, you cannot see the lace. So this wig is so convenient. Like, you really don't have to stress about your hair. You just put the wig on, and yeah, so all the baby hairs, the curly baby hairs, are really camouflaging the lace. They are doing a great job at hiding the lace, so you can't see the lace at all. So yeah, this is the SASHA wig from the ASILI range. It's about 14 inches, as you can see. So I'm just going to turn around to show you guys the back, so you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is how long it is. And yeah, guys, and voila, that was it. Very easy, very simple, like I said. So yeah, that was how to wear the SASHA wig from our ASILI range. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to place your orders. And yeah, contact us on the numbers on screen if you need any info about our wigs or about our work. So please go ahead and visit our website on www.tdalifestyle.com. So yeah, that's it from me. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.